Steve getting ready to go on his cross-country bike ride. Today's Saturday, May 14th. I leave in 3 days. That's on Tuesday, May 17th. Leave at 5 a.m. in the morning. Getting ready to pack up my gear into these 2 suitcases to fly out from Newark Liberty International Airport to Portland, Oregon. And got my tent. This is a 2-man tent. I have a 1-man tent, but the 1-man tent's a little small, and I'm going to be sleeping in this tent for about 50 days. And so I need a 2-man tent. Gives me a little more room. This is my sleeping bag. It's rated for 30 degrees because I'm going to be going through the Rocky Mountains, and right now in Lolo Pass, Idaho, it's getting down to 30 degrees at night. Still snowing out there. Same thing at Rogers Pass up in Montana, getting down to 30 degrees at night there. And so I need to be ready for the cold weather. These are my front panniers. I've already emptied them out and into the suitcases. These are my rear panniers. And here's my my summer cycling, warm weather cycling clothes. It's going to get hot once I get out of the mountains. It's going to be in the 80s, 90 degrees. Be cycling the whole month of June, half the month of July. So, but I also have my warm weather, cold weather gear for the mountains. Wool socks, all kinds of warm weather or cold weather clothes to keep me warm. And in this pannier here, I've got my camp clothes. When I get done riding all day long, I'll be riding some days 85, some days over 100 miles in one day. So I'm going to take a shower, change into my camp clothes, nice clean clothes. And so that's what I'm doing now. I'll be wearing these clothes here on the plane, but everything else gets packed up in these suitcases. And then I leave in just a couple days to go on my cross-country bike ride.